Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, I'm Corban, that's Mommy.
Hi.
And today we're going to be doing the upside down glass magic trick, so stay tuned. The first step is to fill a glass halfway with water, just like this. The next step is to get an index card and put it on top of the glass. Now, I'm going to take this glass, flip it over, and I'm going to let go of the index card. Okay. Go, go, go. It's working!
It's working, cool!
Oh, awesome!
Look at that!
Oh, so cool!
That is magic.
Yeah, it's magic. Thanks for watching, bye! And remember to watch all our other videos on Corban's Fun Adventures and Learning. Bye! See you in the next video. Bye!